There is only one unique metropolis in the world located on two continents, Istanbul. However, this exceptional feature also generates transportation challenges. New solutions are constantly being developed to reduce the growing traffic density between the Asian and European sides of the city and to diminish the resulting socio-economic burdens. One significant solution, and perhaps the most important, is the Eurasia Tunnel. The project will create a transit route between Kazlı and Göztepe, easing the traffic flow on the main arterial roads, while relieving traffic on the existing Bosphorus bridges. The total length of the project route is 14.6 kilometers. Access roads for the tunnel between the coastline in Kazlı and Kumkapı were improved. Along this 5.4-kilometer route, the traffic flow was streamlined by expanding the present road and adding junctions and road connections. The shoreline and Yenikapı Square are now easily accessible to residents, complete with level crossings and overpasses made to accommodate those with disabilities. The 3.4-kilometer section of 5.4-kilometer Bosphorus crossing of the tunnel was excavated using a tunnel boring machine that drilled through bedrock with no contact with the water. This part of the tunnel consists of two decks, one for each direction. The deepest point of the Bosphorus above the tunnel is 62 meters. At its steepest point, the tunnel runs 106.4 meters below the surface. On the European side of the project are approach walls, 710 meters in length, as well as cut-and-cover tunnels. On the Asian side, there are also cut-and-cover tunnels 200 meters in length, a passage of 165 meters in length, and land tunnels of 1.8 kilometers built using the new Austrian tunnel method. On the Asian side, the project extends from the D100 highway tunnel exit to the Göztepe junction. The 3.8-kilometer tract is lined with road expansions, junctions, and connecting roads. The main control building of the Eurasia Tunnel is on this side. The project is designed using the build-operate-transfer model. Turkish Yapı Merkezi and South Korean SK Group undertook this major project, launched by the Ministry of Transport, Maritime Affairs and Communication. With many international pioneering developments under its belt, Yapı Merkezi's project in Turkey, the Middle East, and Africa are used by an average of 3 billion people annually. SK Group, a leading global company, invests in construction, energy, and telecommunications in South Korea, America, and the Middle East. Also involved in the project are the world's most reputable engineering firms, including Aegis, Arup, Parsons Binkerhoff, HNTB, Herrenknecht, Kidoko, Italfer Altenog, and Yapı Merkezi Prefabrication. The project cost approximately $1.3 billion US dollars, $960 million US dollars of which was secured through international financial institutions. As of its date of signing, this 18-year loan agreement boasts one of the longest maturities among internationally financed build-operate-transfer projects in Turkey. The project has received numerous international awards. Developed by Yapı Merkezi, the fully waterproof, reinforced concrete segments that form the external walls of the undersea tunnel can withstand a pressure of 70 megapascals. For the first time in TBM tunneling for a project of this scale, the project includes two seismic joints, custom designed for the geological and geotechnical properties of the route. This further boosts the earthquake resistance of the tunnel. The construction of the project was completed in 47 months and 3 days. The opening ceremony for the Eurasia Tunnel was held in Kumkapı on December 20, 2016. Control of the tunnel access roads on the European and Asian sides were transferred to Istanbul Metropolitan Municipality. However, the tunnel section will be handed over to the public sector after 25 years and 28 days of operation. The Eurasia Tunnel reduces intercontinental travel time to 5 minutes. The Eurasia Tunnel will reduce the travel time between Kazlacheshmy and Gerstepi, currently as high as 100 minutes at rush hour, to a mere 15 minutes. On average, the project is expected to serve more than 100,000 vehicles per day in both directions. The Eurasia Tunnel distinguished itself with its superior features that display respect for human and urban life. The route takes utmost care to not impact the world-famous silhouette of the historic peninsula, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Its environmentally friendly design respects the ecological balance with no impact on marine life. The Eurasia Tunnel provides a functional, safe, rapid, and comfortable journey for motorists. Closed-circuit cameras, sensors, and alarm systems monitor the tunnel 24/7, alerting the specialized staff of any problem, no matter how small. There are laybys for vehicles at every 600 meters. Special patrol units are available to provide first response assistance. Emergency chambers located every 200 meters allow access between floors. The Eurasia Tunnel combines the traditional motifs of Turkish architecture with aesthetics, functionality, and cutting-edge engineering. The Gulbasic and Çakarfilik motifs of master architect Sinan's buildings inspired the interior architecture, lighting designs, arches, and portals. Each year, the Eurasia Tunnel is expected to save 52 million hours and TL 160 million in fuel. The tunnel is also expected to reduce harmful gas emissions by 82,000 tons per year. The Eurasia Tunnel is a masterpiece, a source of pride for the more than 500 companies, 700 engineers, and 12,000 workers involved in its development. The Eurasia Tunnel has earned Istanbul and Turkey a monumental structure on a global scale. With a long service life, superior features, and its respect for the historical heritage, this project unites continents and carries today's solutions into the future. Godspeed.